Good morning, everybody. Can you tell the tires are dirty? I did a video with it yesterday. I gotta upload it. So, yep. You see, it's been ran. I did a short one. It's probably like a 20-minute video or something like that. So, thanks for coming in, everybody. I appreciate you as always. Obviously, people are coming in are subscribers because they probably hopefully got the notification. Yeah, it's still pulling crap out of it. There's some more stuff. But yeah, up and down days, so I gotta do a video today on my side-by-side. I'm going to be doing checking the drive belt in it, and as well as pulling the calipers off it, and I got new brake pads to put on it. Not that it probably don't need them, but I'll probably go stick a set on there. Yeah, I took this yesterday and I ran it. You know, this thing actually, it's amazing how it's not the fastest thing. I think that one there is a faster truck. Realistically, that one's faster, but this one here is more scale. And these stupid little skinny tires with a unidirectional tread pattern on them, they actually work. Yeah, they actually work quite well. So I don't know. It's a fun truck to run. I like it better now. Yesterday was the first time I ran it with new speed control in it, and yeah, I kind of like the speed control in it as well now. I think it works much better. So than the stock one. So the stock one I actually put in another truck. So it's already in it. So, but yeah, it works quite well. So tires work well. Carrying the weight of the two soldiers and the gear in it. I brought it back and put the battery on a charger and to see where it was at for grins, and it only took a couple minutes and it was fully charged. So it does pretty good on a battery charge. So yeah. Yeah, it went, I don't know, about 2 mile walk. 2 miles each way, I should say. There you go, 4 miles. So, and it had plenty of battery left in it. So, supposed to be really warm today. It's still getting daylight here. And when it does, I'll be going outside and do some work. Yep. And today, I'm going to set this one back a little bit and get my other truck up here because if I do a run, I don't like to run the same truck over and over.